Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I wanted to share a project that is completely inspired by Olivia's romantic home. I wanted to decorate my mantle just as she decorated hers. And so as you can see here, it's very bare. All I have are some command strip hooks that I didn't bother removing. I started off with some ribbon and I wanted to use my new bow maker, so I created some big fluffy bows. I made a total of 3 just using some of the new ribbon that I purchased recently and a couple of old ones, and these are just perfect for Valentine's Day. And so I took out my garland. This is a dogwood garland that I had purchased, I believe, from Michael's, or it could have been from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. And then I took out my Deco Mesh that I had gotten from Amazon, and as you can see here, I attached it with some pipe cleaners. I basically ruched it and left about 10 to 12 inches in between the pipe cleaners. And this is how it looks like. I love how the 3 combination colors just go so well together. The red and the bright pink and the white. It totally screams Valentine's Day. And then here I went ahead and attached those beautiful puffy bows that I had just created. And I love the way it looks. I love the different types of ribbon, the different colors and different patterns. I just love the way it looks so far. So next we are going to go ahead and add our flowers to this beautiful garland. And so I whipped out all of my flowers, mostly the roses and these amaranthus. I have it in white and also in yellow, and then just pulled out all of my different types of roses, some dark pink, the two-tone, the red roses, and also the baby breath. I think that goes very well with the roses. And here it is once I went ahead and added that to the garland. And I didn't really have to attach it, I just basically tucked it underneath and on top, you know, just to hide the pipe cleaners. And I love it. I love the way that looks. And the last step is to attach the hanging hearts. So I took some thinner ribbon, and I love this pink bright ribbon and red ribbon that I have, and I attached those Dollar Tree hearts. And I think Olivia said that she got that idea from another crafter. So here is my garland, you guys. I love the way it came out. I can't say that enough, and I hope you guys liked it too. Thanks for watching. Bye.